Windmills have been part of civilization for thousands of years. They harness the power of the wind to create energy. The first record of a wind-powered machine was between 10 and 70 AD. Windmills come in many shapes and sizes, and over time have become larger and taller. It wasn't until 1854 that Americans put their unique spin on the windmill. Much smaller than the European style, they were cheaper to build and easier to ship. These new windmills were perfect for the settlers of our Great Plains. They were often a homesteader's most prized possession. The water pumped by windmills was used to cook, bathe, drink, water crops and animals, wash clothes, and more. These mills were simple, well-constructed, and dependable. In America, the first electric generating wind turbine was invented by Charles F. Bush, and it was over 60 feet tall. Today, the wind industry is booming. The cost of wind power continues to decrease as technology improves and competition increases. You can find large wind parks in deserts, plains, mountains, and even in the ocean. Hatchet Mountain in Bernie, California is an example of a local wind farm. Other than wind, what types of energy do you think are renewable?